Hey guys, today we're releasing the first mobile Ethereum node, Status. For the first time, you can interact with dApps and transact directly on the Ethereum network from your Android or iOS device. We also believe that as a community, we need a decentralized communication tool so we can find and transact with each other globally. Status is built on the Whisper Ethereum subprotocol and allows us to do just that. I've also added myself as a default contact within Status, so feel free to come chat with me. Now, we're currently in alpha, and there's plenty of bugs, but we've got to catch them all, and that's where you come in. So join our early access, or download it nightly, even build it yourself, and all you need to do is shake your phone when you find something that's wrong, and send in your feedback. Now, we're completely open source, and we're community driven, so come join our Slack and help us shape the future. Now, with that out of the way, I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough on how to get started.
All right, so we're going to test out Status, run through how to get set up with your first account, and then we're going to send a transaction between Android and iOS device. So I'm going to hit Status here, hit Status there. Okay, so this is the second time I've run this application, which is why you're seeing this lock screen. But on the first run, you'll see console. Console is the first autonomous entity that you'll meet within Status. It is there to help you set up your account and change your settings. You can also execute JavaScript in it and access Web3, something similar to Go Ethereum itself. So first we see this request message here asking us to set up our password. So we can tap on this and type in our password on test 1, 2, 3, and to re-enter, test 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's going to set it up. So now it's generating the keys. So we'll do it over here to now you can tap this bottom left corner, which is the command list icon. It'll show you the available requests. At the moment, there's a request message for you asking for the number. And there's also a faucet command. So we're just going to run this twice on each faucet. So we have a little bit of play money. Okay, great. So now we'll add each other. It's pretty straightforward. Now, after you've generated your account, you don't actually have to enter in your phone number. The back button will be available for you, so you can just tap on the back, and you go there. You get the chat list here. You have 2 chats open. One is with the wallet dApp, and the other one with console. Swipe over here to Discover. At the moment, we haven't found any Discover, and it won't be in this video. And the contacts page is pre-populated with a couple of default dApps. If you're a dApp developer, ping me or submit a pull request to add the dApp, and we're happy to put it in. Just needs to be with Ropsten. There is also this Jared contact if you'd like to chat with me in Status as well, assuming I'm online. So anyway, we'll go to the profile and we'll show our public key. The public key is because it is injected into Whisper, meaning you can communicate and transact with the same public key. And we will add this user by scanning the QR code on iOS. Wait. Okay. So I'll go that. So we can go, hey. Wait. Back here, and hopefully we have a message. Now at the moment we don't have this contact in our contact list, so we can tap add contacts up here, and that'll add that user. And all right, so now we've got some communication between each other. Let's try and send our iOS device some ETH. All of these commands you can type in as well. So now I can confirm our transaction. 2, 3. And it is as simple as that. Now, wallet is a dApp, and we have an open transaction here. Hopefully this loads. Okay, so we have a main wallet with 2 ETH in it. If we open it, we can see the transaction list. Apparently the outgoing one isn't displaying here. This is provided by Etherscan. If you pull this down, you can actually see the transaction history or the chat history within the wallet as well. And that's pretty much it for now. But yeah, you can go open up all these other dApps and they'll load up and work just fine. Cool, thanks.